Hi, it's Alex from NY Capture Photography, and as promised, here's the follow-up video where I go out and field test the Xplorer 300 Pro. Went out into the park across the street from me here and was able to test with a wonderful model, Shannon Murphy, and I'll put her Instagram down below so you can check her out. Went up into the park. It was a beautiful sunny day, really no clouds, it was really bright sun, and I was using the 300 to overpower the sun. I did have an ND filter on for some of the shots so I could keep a wide open aperture and still have the sun and the flash going at the same time. And I think the results were great. I'll add a couple images here and a link to where you can see more of my work. But hope you like it. Take a look at the behind the scenes footage and then I'll talk a little bit more at the end about my thoughts. Thanks. So we've got the Xplorer 300 Pro here and this Glow 34-inch beauty dish, and shooting here Shannon.
Hi!
And got my Sony A7R4, and we're using high-speed sync here, and I've got an ND filter on so that we can get some beautiful bokeh going on, some background blur. Figure I'll do a little what's in my bag here. Have a Mathews light stand, and then I'm using the Glow 34-inch white beauty dish. And in here I've got the Flashpoint 300 Xplorer. I've got my Sony A7R4 with the 85 G Master 1.4 lens on there. Got the trigger. And that's pretty much it. And so that's what I used here for my shoot today. And then we're also using had one of the Moment ND filters on here. It's a 3-stop filter, and that's it. So there we have it, a little bit of behind the scenes. So you can see some of the different locations we're using. A couple times we're out in the wide open with the sun right overhead. Other times we were in a more wooded area where there was some shade. So various different lighting settings and kind of different colors going on there. But overall was using the 300 the entire time, and I really enjoyed using it. I think I shot about 265 shots. It only misfired 3 or 4 times, so I think that's pretty good. I had no trouble running out of battery or anything, and I was shooting at full power, sometimes half power, but really no issues with that. It had plenty of power. Again, it was lightweight and portable. It was easy to break everything down. I did have to use the S2 adapter because I don't believe the Bowens adapter is available yet, or I wasn't able to get one. So luckily I had gotten an S2 adapter and was able to use that to use my 34-inch softbox. It was really nice to be able to put everything over my shoulder and go out there and shoot and have that power and versatility that the 300 gave me. it certainly was much easier than using the 400 and having to carry that out there. It was also heavier, you know, tip over in the wind and everything, depending on where we were. Overall, I think the 300 was great. I wasn't using the 200s standalone that often. I was using them usually in tandem with the 400 as my key light, and then using the 200s for either a rim light or to try to get some effects or the gel on or something like that. So I wasn't using those very often on their own. I think that this light overall, when I'm going out and I want to go out to the park or I'm traveling, that the 300 will be the one I go to now. And then if I have if I'm driving somewhere, I have the ability to carry everything with me, then I'll bring them all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, make sure to comment and subscribe. You could also hit the bell as well so you get notifications of future videos. And any recommendations on things you'd like to see, I would love that. I do plan to do another video where I go in depth and shoot with the 200, the 300, the 400, and then possibly the 200s together in the ADB2. So I hope to do that in the next couple of days, and so you can look out for that video. But thank you for watching. Again, you can check out my work on nycapture1 on Instagram or my website, nycapture.com. Thanks.